If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, beauty, and most importantly, skincare. So if you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. Today's video is about aloe vera. If you're a part of the community, you already know I love me some aloe vera, okay? I eat it, I drink it, shit. I might as well bathe myself in it with the amount of oils and moisturizers that I use that I make from the aloe vera plant that I have in my backyard. Aloe vera is a plant that could be used in so many different ways. It could be used for a variety of skin problems like eczema, acne, sunburn, which I have a video on how I use aloe vera to heal my sunburn, which is bomb. I healed my sunburn in just 3 days, okay? And also adding moisture back into the skin. If you're someone that has dry skin, shit, if you have oily skin as well, aloe is the type of moisturizer that doesn't leave your skin oily and greasy, but just gives this supple, moisturized feel to your skin. Aloe has so many different benefits. It's been proven to help fade acne, help fade dark marks on the skin, and soothe a variety of different skin conditions. So in this video today, what I'm gonna do for you, we're gonna make a few different skincare products together that include aloe vera. One is aloe vera oil. In my previous video, I showed you how to use aloe vera and make an aloe vera mask. I'll go ahead and add that up here as well. And I mentioned the aloe vera oil that I purchased and that I use, but you know what? I was like, aloe vera oil is so easy to make. Why spend $50 to buy it when you can make it yourself at home? So we're going to make aloe vera oil that you use on your face, in your hair, and on your skin. What we're also going to do together is we're going to make an aloe vera toner, and this toner can be used after your facial cleanser. So after you cleanse your skin, you always want to toning your skin brings back moisture into your skin after your cleanser has probably stripped your skin of impurities and dirt and oil and all that stuff. So what a toner is going to do is bring moisture back into the skin and keep the skin barrier soft, supple, nice, and moisturized. So we're also going to make an aloe vera toner, and I love this toner. I use it ever so often on top of an alpha arbutin toner. Like, I mix both of them together. That alpha arbutin is a whole different video, but I combine both of these together and my skin is just always popping. Like, it's just always that girl. So let's just get right into the video. We start by getting a piece of aloe vera leaf. You could purchase this from your local grocery store or farmer's market. I'm going to use this plant for both the oil and the toner. What you want to do is cut off the prickly area and cut the leaf in half. This first half is going to be used for the oil. We're going to slice it in little pieces. These pieces we're going to blend up. In a pot on low heat, we're going to add extra virgin olive oil. I love olive oil for the skin because 1, it's a moisturizer that can be used for any skin type, and 2, it contains antioxidants, vitamin E, and also prevents aging and repairs any skin damage, and it's also non-toxic. After blending up your aloe, I actually thought I blended it, but I didn't. I guess I caught it when the camera was not on, but go ahead and blend it, and on low heat you add the aloe to your olive oil. You're going to let this slow cook until it slightly simmers. This is going to allow the aloe to infuse with the oil. Stir and allow this to cook until the aloe turns into like these little clumps, and this is going to take about 5 to 7 minutes. The clumps let you know that the nutrients from the aloe vera has absorbed into the oil. When that is all done, you want to grab a container of your choosing and get a strainer, because you want to strain any particles from the aloe and don't allow it to get into the oil that you're going to be using on your skin. And look at this liquid go, y'all. so good. This part is totally optional, but I like to use lemongrass oil in this concoction. Lemongrass for the skin is known to enhance overall textured skin and also detoxifies the skin. What I love most is that it makes my skin so supple and glowy without leaving it overly greasy. Another good thing about lemongrass oil is it's great for oily skin. So it's not going to add any extra oil to your skin, just like this oil is not going to add any extra oil to your skin. We're going to add 5 to 6 drops of lemongrass and we're done. I love this so much. It gives my skin this glow that is not greasy and my skin is left being so soft. This is a perfect oil for your body or even your facial skin. You see how easy that was? Save your coin and make it at home. Next, we have our facial toner. Get a small dish and grab the other piece of aloe. We're going to cut it straight down the middle. We need to get all the jelly that's in the inside of the aloe vera. Get a spoon and start scraping it out. This is super slippery, y'all, so it will be a bit difficult, but you got this. Once you have it all scraped out, you want to go and wash it off. We are washing off the part of the aloe vera that is a bit bitter. We want to be able to get it off as best as we can. We're not going to be able to get that bitter part all the way off because we are doing this at home, but go ahead and wash the aloe. It's going to be slippery as well, so be careful. All right, now, do not turn the video off, okay? Yes, this is green tea. Green tea is amazing for the skin and it's great as a toner. It slows down the aging process, hydrates the skin, and unclogs pores, and is also an anti-inflammatory. It is also packed with antioxidants. Combined with aloe vera, this right here, this is magic. If you're someone who suffers from textured skin, this toner is for you. To make this easy, I'm going to get my Chemex and allow the green tea to seep. After it's done seeping for a few minutes, I wait for it to cool down until it is completely warm to the touch. I add it into my washed aloe vera. I'm going to also strain this to strain out any clumps of the aloe vera from the gel. It's just a little bit, but we need to get that out of the toner because we don't want to have any residue in the toner because we want to be able to store this, okay? But that's it. These could be stored in the fridge and last up to 4 weeks, or stored out at room temperature away from the sun for up to 2 weeks. Like this video and comment down below and let me know if you try this out. I'm also going to add the measurements and full breakdown in my blog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.